Hello प्यारे बच्चों. So today we are going to start the chapter 3 grade 6. The name of the chapter is number play. So in this chapter everything just revolves about numbers. We are using so many numbers in our daily lives. So here is given the very first this math talk. Think about various situations where we use numbers. List 5 different situations in which numbers are used and see what your classmates have listed. Share and discuss. So this math talk is to be done in your classroom with your classmates in the presence of your teacher. So we can do this. You can think of the numbers as per your understanding. Mobile phones, yeah, your games which you play, you get the scores, or you do any online quiz, you get the scores, the numbers are used there. And there are many things in the bank, amount, the salary of the parents, yeah, and you are getting the pocket money. These everything, your life revolves around the numbers, because जिंदगी मैथ के बिन जीरो है, बस ये समझ लो तुम. So everything is around you with numbers. So now here the first is numbers can tell us things. So what are these numbers telling us? And some children in the park are standing in a line and each one says a number. See, this girl is saying 0. What does it mean? This girl is saying 2. So if you check, she's saying 0 because the left side, right side, she is the tallest. So she's saying 0, that no one is taller than me. And the next girl, she's saying 2. Why? Because the left side and the right side both are taller than her. So that's why she is saying 2. And this boy is saying 1 because the left side, this girl is smaller in height, but the right side, she is taller. So he is saying 1. She is also saying 1 because right side wala bachcha is greater in height, taller in height. And he is saying 0 because he is the tallest one. Left side wala bachcha se bhi और right side wala bachcha se bhi. Now he is again saying 2. Why 2? Because left side, right side, both the kids are taller than him. And this girl is saying 1 because the right side wala bachcha is greater in height, taller in height. And this boy, the last, he's saying 0 because no one is taller than him. Right side wala bachcha, no bachcha here. And the left hand side, I'm saying the left right according to us as we are looking at them. So what do you think these number means? These numbers are telling about the number of the kids on the right hand side and left hand side taller in height. Okay. So now these children are rearranged and now they are also saying one number. What these numbers are representing, if we say this boy is saying 1, this is greater, taller in height. He is saying 0 because both left and right. I hope you understood now. She is saying 2, you understood, both the kids are taller in height. She is saying 0, left side chota, right side also chota bacha. He is saying 1 because this girl on the left side is, you know, our left right answer. I hope you understand. She is saying 2, both left right are taller in height. He is saying again 1, now she is the smaller in height and she is the taller in height. And the last bachcha is saying 0 because he is smaller in height. So what did you figure it out? These numbers represent, we have figured it out that they are just telling about the number of the kids which are standing on the right side and the left side according to the height. If the height is taller, so they are saying 1. If one child is taller in height, if someone is saying 2, so that means both the kids standing right or left are taller in height. So this is being done. So now we have to discuss these questions. Question number 1. Can the children rearrange themselves so that the children standing at the ends say 2? Last wala bachcha says 2. Is it possible? Can the children rearrange themselves so that the children standing at the end say 2? No. There will be no one standing on the other side of the child standing at the end. क्योंकि only one child will be either right side. If you say the kids or your side, it is one side. दूसरी तरफ तो कोई बच्चा होगा नहीं, तो लास्ट में जो बच्चा होगा या तो वो 1 बोल सकता है और या वो 0 बोल सकता है. Can we arrange the children in a line so that all say only zeros? Yes, all the children in line should be of the same height. If all the students are of same height, so no one is the taller, maybe the right side or the left side, so they are saying 0. Can two children standing next to each other say the same number? Yes. See, the third boy and the fourth girl, they both are saying 1 1 because only one kid is taller in height than them. Yes, so this is also possible. Now, see question number 4. There are 5 children in a group, all of different heights. Can they stand such that 4 of them say 1 and the last one says 0? Why or why not? See, yes, it is possible if they are standing in ascending order of height. How? This boy is saying 1 means this boy, if you see the right hand side, let me take the marker. If you see this right hand side boy, he has taller than him, so he is saying 1. Now, if he is saying 1 means left side smaller and the right side one student is bigger, so he is also saying 1. He is saying also 1 because this is smaller in height and the next side it is taller in height, so he is also saying 1. He is saying 1 because the left side smaller and the right hand side is taller. But the last boy is saying 0. Why? Because the left side wala bachcha is smaller in height and the right hand side he is not having anyone. So yes, this arrangement is possible if they are standing in a ascending order of height. So that means he is checking both sides, left side and right side. Okay, that's why this pattern is formed. The next question, for this group of 5 children, is the sequence 1 1 1 1 all 1 possible? No. How it would be possible? He's saying 1. That means the right side is taller and the left side no one is there. He's also saying 1. He's taller, smaller. He's also saying 1. He's also saying 1. But he has to say 0 because this side boy is smaller but the right hand side no one is standing there, so this arrangement for all 1 is not possible. Okay, I hope you understand this. They are checking both side, left side also and right side also. Now see the next question number 6. What is in question number 6? Is the sequence 0 1 2 1 0 possible? Why or why not? See, if you compare this boy, he is saying both sides are smaller. The left hand side, no one is there, but right hand side, smaller child in height, so 0. He is saying 1 because left hand side wala bachcha is taller and the right hand side, no one is there. And now this boy, middle boy, he's saying 2 because right side also, left side also, both the side, these boys are taller than him. So he is saying 2. Now the next one, only the one right hand side wala bachcha is taller and the last is saying 0 because no one is taller. Left side smaller height and the right side no one is there. So yes, 0 1 2 1 0 is possible. So I hope you understand this arrangement. This is possible. Now the next question number 7 says, how would you rearrange the 5 children so that the maximum number of the children say 2? So maximum how many kids can say 2? Maximum, as you can see, 2 students can say 2. First wala is saying 0 because he is smaller. Second wala smaller than left and right wala bachcha, so he can say 2. So next he's saying 0 because both left side are smaller. in height, and he is also saying 2. So maximum this arrangement is possible: one small, one big, one small, one big, then small, then big, and the last wala bachcha is saying 0. So maximum 2 times, at most only out of the 5 children, at most 2 children can say 2. Okay, I hope you understand, and please remember, जिंदगी मैथ के बिन जीरो है, बस ये समझ लो तुम.